Are you struggling to build your mobile app without coding skills? You're not alone. Crafting a mobile app can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With Draftbit's low-code platform, anyone can create stunning mobile apps effortlessly. Imagine being able to design professional-grade apps without writing a single line of code. Enjoy flexibility with custom code options and a fully exportable codebase. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to creativity. Our user-friendly visual builder makes app design intuitive. Select, customize, and launch apps tailored just to you. Plus, test across devices seamlessly, saving time and hassle. Why wait? Start your free 14-day trial today and turn your app ideas into reality.